Hola clase, hoy es martes, el 13 de noviembre. Aquí es donde nos dirigimos hoy. You will be working through a practice e-learning assignment today. Miss Harris is in the room with you, but she will be no help to you really. So this will be a demonstration of what it will be like when we have our e-learning day on December 4th, because I will be available to you for questions, but I will not be there with you. So today you are going to work through this on your own. You are going to start by how we start class every day. We are going to complete our warm-up. So habla con señora group. This is our e-learning warm-up for today. So we're going to work through these slides. I am going to say the different phrases. I would like you to repeat those phrases to me in Spanish. And then when it's a question, I not only want you to repeat the question to me, I also would like you to answer the question in Spanish. Now, I know that you will do your best to answer. I also know I won't be able to hear you, but remember, practicing makes our Spanish better, so do your best. And if you need your notes, now would be a good time to grab them. All right, let's get started. The first phrase is buenos días. Repiten, buenos días. Muy bien, clase. And buenos días, remember, means good morning. The next phrase is ¿Cómo estás? Now, you'll notice this is a question. We have our question marks. ¿Cómo estás? Repiten. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Now, go ahead and answer that question. ¿Cómo estás? In español. Excelente. Our next phrase is also a question. ¿Cómo te llamas? Repiten. ¿Cómo te llamas? Muy bien. Now answer the question. ¿Cómo te llamas? Remember, we have two ways to answer this question. You can say soy and then your name. So soy, señora group. Or you can say me llamo and then your name. So for me, me llamo señora group. Muy bien. Our next question is, ¿De dónde eres? Repiten. ¿De dónde eres? Now you'll remember that this question means, where are you from? You answer this question by saying, soy de. So go ahead and try that. Soy de. Muy bien. So for me, this would be soy de Roanoke. Our next question is, ¿Cuántos años tienes? Repiten. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Muy bien. Now answer the question. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Excelente. So for this question, you have two ways to answer as well. You can say soy, and then the number of years you are. Soy 45 años. Or you can say tengo. Remember, tengo means I have. So you could say tengo 45 años. Muy bien. Our next question is, ¿Cuál clase es tu favorito? Repiten. ¿Cuál clase es tu favorito? Excelente. Now this question is asking which class is your favorite. Es obvio, estudiantes. Español es tu clase favorito. See? Maybe not. But go ahead and try answering that question in Spanish. ¿Cuál clase es tu favorito? Está bien. Hasta pronto, clase. You did a great job with warm-up today. I wish we could have been together in class to do that warm-up, but since we weren't, it's still great practice. And so now that we've finished warm-up, we're going to go ahead and look at what your assignment is for today. Your assignment today is going to be a listen and translate assignment. You will be listening to and translating 3 separate conversations in Spanish. You're going to click this link right here to access the conversations. So when you click that link, it's going to take you out to my YouTube channel, and you will just start listening to those conversations. Then, while you're listening to those conversations, you may want to have your notes. You probably should have your notes with you to help you. You'll also want to grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Have those handy so you can write down what is going on in the conversation. When you are finished listening and translating, you're going to click on this link, and that's going to take you to your assignment. Your assignment is to actually do a text entry about what you thought those conversations were saying. So when you are going through and doing your typing for that, make sure you tell me which conversation you're translating at that moment. So conversation 1, conversation 2, or conversation 3. And then also be sure you're including all of the translated conversation in your answer, because that's how we'll grade that assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And here is my email right here. You can also send me a message through Canvas. And then my email is also here down below. All right, class, you're off and running. Keep working on your Spanish, and I am very proud of the hard work you do. Hasta la vista.